Hello guys, in today's video I will show you how you can go ahead and buy XRP Ripple token on MetaMask. It's pretty simple and easy. First of all, you want to go ahead and let's check on, for example, CoinMarketCap, XRP token. As you can see on the contract, it is on BNB Smart Chain. And you can go ahead and copy it to clipboard. So you want to go ahead and switch from base, mainnet, or whatever you see here. You want to choose BNB chain. Now, once it will be changed, you will see you have that much BNB. If you don't have it, you need to go ahead and buy it or receive it from, for example, Binance or Bybit, whatever you are using as your main exchange. You can go ahead and click receive tokens and you will have your address where you can send your BNBs, or you can click buy and sell and you will be able to buy it, for example, with your debit or credit card. There's also some other options like SEPA bank transfer, HIPU, and PCE. So this is one way. Now, once you will have it, you can go ahead and click swap and make sure you are on BNB chain. And then from BNB, you want to select a token, XRP. If you're not sure if it's the right token, you want to go ahead and enter that contract address you saw on CoinMarketCap. Enter it here. Enter the amount you want to go ahead and exchange, just like so. And after this, you will see how much you have. This is how much you will get. And the gas fee is 25 cents, as you can see. And then you will swap it. If you will not see it, see this token on your MetaMask wallet, you want to go ahead and import the tokens. Again, search with the same contract address, click on it, click next, import. And here you have it. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.